Hi everyone, today is day 3 of sneaking veggies into my toddler's food. Today I am going to make a savory vegetable muffin and see how she likes it. She's kind of picky when it comes to textures, so let's hope this works because I'm gonna end up having 12 of them, and if she doesn't eat them, I'm gonna have to eat them, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start by grating the zucchini. I'm really scared I'm gonna grate my fingers off. Put it down to the nub. Hold on, Lydia, I'm not done. I'm going to grate some cheese.
Mama.
Yeah?
Hi.
Okay, hold on.
Mama.
We're not putting the eggs in it yet. We gotta grate the cheese first. There you go. Milk is next. There you go, pour the oil in. There is a mess. It's not cooked yet. Stop. Lydia, stop it from moving it. Okay.
Mama.
Okay, after I put in the eggs, you cannot eat this anymore.
She just attacks us.
Don't touch it with your hands. One, 2, 3.
Mama. Eat.
I tried to give her a little bit of ketchup to eat with it, and then I think she had a couple bites and just ate all the ketchup.